Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while one from our device screens. For example, we can use it here. After that, you'll just see here on the right upper corner this plus icon. Just to add the widget, click here on this plus, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, let's see how many widgets have the weather application. 1, 2, 3 widgets. So for example, the sleep app has also just has 2 widgets, so we can just check all of the applications here. And for example, let's use the contact or the clock widgets. We can see here the 4 different types of the widgets. For example, we can use the white clocks, the regular just 1 clock. So just to add this widget, after that you should click here or to plus to add widgets icon button. Click here, and now we can see that it's added automatically here on the right upper corner. So if you wanna change the position of this widget, you can hold it and after that drag it to the left, to the right side, here to the down section, for example. Also we can move it between the screens by this way. And if you want to create the new screens with a widget, that's also not a problem. Just hold and drag it to the right side of your screen, and now we can see that we just created successfully the new screen here. If you want to add it, just edit home screen, you can make it by this way. So just hold it, you can remove widgets from here or just add the new ones. For example, let's add also the music widgets. We can add the big one, so click it here. We can change their positions also here. If you want to remove it, just click here to this minus and tap to remove. Or also, for example, if you want to remove it by hold for a while the widget, you can make it by this way and just confirm your action by click here to remove. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.